Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Drive is installed, you're signed in, and you have either mobile data or Wi-Fi ready. Now open Google Drive and tap Settings. This is where the setting that causes waiting for Wi-Fi lives. Once there, locate data usage or the transfer files only over Wi-Fi toggle and pause. Do not change other options yet. You want to act deliberately so syncing won't stall. Next, prepare to switch transfer controls and selectively force uploads. Next, change transfer behavior so Drive stops waiting. Toggle off transfer files only over Wi-Fi to allow uploads on mobile data. You do this because Drive won't queue uploads if it's restricted. Then narrow the scope. Enable backup and sync for selected folders or file types to limit data use. Once configured, force a manual sync by selecting files and choosing Make Available Offline or Sync Now from the menu. This pushes pending items immediately instead of waiting for a Wi-Fi connection. To finish, confirm uploads by checking Drive's activity or the file status badges. Green checks mean success. If uploads stall, restart the app or device and clear Drive's cache. These steps resolve corrupted temporary data and often restart sync. Make sure battery saver is off and background data is allowed because those block uploads. As a last resort, sign out and back in or reinstall Drive. If that fails, try toggling mobile data off and on to reinitialize network routing. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.